amazing formula of catching shrimp by net. Hello friends, this is my channel Entertainment Zone. All of you enjoy catching fish or any other wildlife cultivation. Shrimp business is a very profitable business. So here you see everyone how to catch or hunting shrimp by net.
তো তুই যা করলি তাও ছড়াই যাবেন কেন
There are so many shrimp catch by net. How big the big shrimp are just in 30 40 days. Enjoy it. Everyone please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for my growth.